Welcome to today's video where we tackle a common problem that many Lua scripters face. The issue at hand is that sometimes a script may not execute as expected, especially when dealing with timing-sensitive operations. In this case, the script seems to get stuck after declaring variables, causing frustration for the scriptwriter. But don't worry, we have a solution ready to help you out. In the solution provided, we address the problem by checking if the player's character already exists before waiting for it to spawn. By first assigning the player's character to a variable, and then checking if it's nil, we can ensure that the script will continue smoothly regardless of the character's spawn status. This way, the script will wait for the player's character to be added only if it hasn't been set yet, preventing it from getting stuck in limbo. And just like that, the player's character is guaranteed to exist in the script's flow. In summary, by implementing a simple check for the existence of the player's character before waiting for it, we have solved the pesky issue of the script getting stuck. Now you can confidently access and utilize variables related to the player's character without any hiccups. I hope this solution helps you in your Lua scripting endeavors. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any other scripting problems you'd like us to tackle next. Until next time, happy scripting